Everyone keeps asking if AI is going to replace bookkeepers. The truth is, it already is, just not the part you think. If you're a bookkeeper, accountant, or even a small business owner, you've probably felt this tension. On the one hand, AI tools are everywhere. On the other hand, bookkeeping is built on judgment, context, and responsibility. So the question isn't, is AI coming? It's what part of the job it actually touches and what it never should. Here's the key idea I want you to walk away with. AI does not replace professional judgment. It replaces decision repetition. And that distinction matters because most of what slows bookkeepers down month end after month end isn't complexity. It's the same decisions made over and over on the same transactions for the same vendors every single month. So let's be very clear about something. AI should never auto-post transactions, touch your general ledger, override your chart of accounts, make tax decisions, replace professional responsibility. If a tool promises that, run. That's not leverage, that's risk. But there is a part of the job AI can help with, safely. AI is very good at spotting patterns, noticing repetition, flagging inconsistencies, reducing cognitive fatigue. And that matters because bookkeeping errors often don't come from ignorance. They come from fatigue. And here's the shift professionals make. Junior workflows focus on transactions. Professional workflows focus on patterns. For example, the same $79 charge on the 3rd of every month, the same payroll clearing amounts, the same software subscriptions, the same POS deposits. You don't need to decide those every time. You need to review them intelligently. That's where AI fits, as a second set of eyes, not a decision maker. In my own practice, AI never posts anything. It helps me review exported data outside the accounting system, see patterns faster, flag anything that breaks the pattern, decide once instead of 50 times, then import clean, reviewed decisions back in, human in the loop every time. So no, AI isn't replacing bookkeepers, but it is replacing repetitive thinking, clicking fatigue, month-end overwhelm. And the bookkeepers who embrace that distinction end up working fewer hours, taking on more clients, charging more confidently, and making fewer mistakes. I put together a free AI transaction review prompt that shows exactly how I use this safely. It's not automation. It doesn't touch your books. It just helps you think faster. If you want it, the link's below. And if AI makes you nervous, good. It should, when it's used wrong. This is about using it professionally. And in the next video, I'll explain the real reason month-end takes so long and why it has nothing to do with transaction volume. See you there.